Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in 3ds Max for beginners. I am architect Sonorai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to teach you about AEC extended objects in 3ds Max, and we'll learn how to create foliage in this tutorial. So I am going to my create panel here, and I am going to select AEC extended here, and if you select AEC extended, you can see this object type, and you can see there is a foliage, railing and wall. So we'll discuss each one. So I'm going to first create foliage, and in the next video tutorial I will tell you about railing and wall. So I'm going to select foliage, and if you select foliage here, you can see there are favorite plants, and you can see there are some by default trees in 3ds Max, that is banyan tree, generic palm, scotch pine, yucca, American elm, and so on, big yucca. So if you select this tree and if you place inside your perspective view, click once, you can see this tree is placed in our view. So I'm going to our full screen view in perspective. So this is our foliage, and if you will go to modify here, and you can see this is the parameter, so you can change the height of the tree here, and you can also change the view. So, and you can also increase or decrease the density. If you reduce, all the leaves will be gone, and if you put this value to the maximum, that is 1, all the leaves will be here. So you can also do pruning. So we'll do pruning, the branches will be cut. So likewise you can play around this, and this is the seed. So it will change its shapes, and you can also sow this all leaves, fruit, flowers, roots, branches, trunk are selected. If you will check these leaves uncheck, so all the leaves will be gone. If you will uncheck this fruit, all the fruits which are inside this tree will be disappeared. And you can also uncheck flowers, you can also uncheck trunks, and you can also uncheck branches and roots. So likewise, if you don't want anything above, we can uncheck simply, and you can also select viewport canopy mode when not selected, and if you select always, it will be shown like this, and if you select never, it will be like this, and when not selected. So you can select any one. And level of detail, if you will select low, so it will say low level of detail. If you select medium, it will show medium detail, and if you select high, it will see high resolution of detail. So this is the method of placing trees. So if I am going to again my foliage here, and you can likewise you can place another tree here, and you can also scale this from here also. You can uniformly scale. So likewise, these are default trees in 3ds Max, and you can play around these settings. You can increase or decrease the height. You can also increase density or reduce pruning. So likewise you can play around these trees. So this was the tutorial for the today's session. In the next session we will see about walls and railings. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.